Okay, congratulations. You made a lot of improvement. And this is where things gets really most easier because we already did a lot of things with the folder option. Now it's time to understand the computer part. In the computer, you have properties whenever you click on something, maybe drive or maybe folder or maybe applications, and it gets available and you have the properties of that. For example, it shows general, the file name and the file system type. We'll discuss on it. And use space and free space, capacity, and too much cleanup, and a lot of options to understand in the properties. We have the tools to check the device, the drive. We have the hardware, sharing part, customize, and quote, previous version, security. And it's too much more really to understand in one click. But just pick this lesson that it's really properties and it brings everything to you. In the security and in the tools, we have work in troubleshooting section and not in here. Open will open it, rename will rename this. Quick access media is just for the media, it's for network, and it is also for network, for FTP or something like that. And I'll help you to how to create a FTP server from your phone to your computer or maybe something else. Open settings is a big settings that we'll discuss definitely about this. Uninstall it or change program is where you can uninstall anything. System properties will show the system properties, and manage is the big advanced thing that we discussed before. It's for the managing storage and everything. View is just for viewing of this. You can have the navigation pan if you wanted to, or maybe just like this, or you can have a detailed ones. You can change the layout if you want to. You can change the sorting, and you have a lot of things to discuss in here. You can group them as many you wanted to. You can add columns, so you can see it's not available. But if you say details, so these options will completely come up. And this is the for sure height item to check box. And you have there show file name extension, hidden items, and hide selected items. You can select and hide anything you wanted to. Let me go to the music and go to the memo music and hide it. It's hide. Okay, if I wanted to take back, there you go, and I can unhide it. It's really easy, so don't worry. And the option is just for the show folder options and not more. By the way, whenever you click some media file like video, text, music, something else, new menu will pop up, and that's music tools or any media tools. It says play, play all, add to playlist, and not more really. And that's all about this really, and we'll discuss about all thing really to do. It's still there are something to understand, but if you really closely look at it, it's not too much big idea to be somehow hard. They're typically easy and they are typically good to understand. Oh, all right. This is the whole discussion with this PC thing, and I promise you we'll talk about the settings, about the manage, and most important about the properties of the security or something else. Okay. Good luck with this PC, and the next time we will go to the big gear icon of Windows 10.